Hey, Russ here. How you doing, guys? I got a new toy today, and I'm all excited about it. It is the Vanguard Power Air S2. So I've been hearing about this, and I tried one out, and I really liked how it felt. So I'm opening it up now. So this has what they call a raw quad carbon fiber face, and also I think they call it a honeycomb core, an X5 honeycomb core. I got all this paperwork in here. So it's a core that honeycomb core is supposed to be really good for spin, and I'm a spinner, so I'm looking forward to that. But it's also supposed to have really good touch and feel to help you sculpt your shots and get those third shot drops in there real accurately. So here it is. So I got some weight tape, and I got some protective tape for the guard. And what else we got here? So this has a low profile edge on it. I don't want to take this off yet because I want to preserve the beauty of it until I get to use it. But it has a very low profile edge. It's almost like no edge at all, really, which I like, because even if you off hit it a little bit, there's nothing in the way of that ball. If it hits right on the edge, it's still kind of part of your sweet spot, and there's no edge getting in the way. It also has a octagonal grip. So it's got, I guess that's 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it looks like 8 sides. So that helps with more maneuverability, more accuracy with your shots. And it's also a short handle too. So I got big hands. I think this will fit fine. My hand feels really good on it, but there's nothing above it, nothing below it. So it feels like a perfect fit for my big hands. I mean, I don't have overly big hands, but I got, decent sized hands. So I am looking forward to this. This is a thin, it's the Vanguard Power Air S2. I also got in here, besides the protective tape and the weighted tape, I have some stickers, which is nice, and looks like a Selkirk magazine, and a little catalog, I guess. So that'll be good to look at over a cup of coffee. And they package these up really nice, very professional. I end up buying, I'm an advocate, right? So when you're an advocate, you don't get all the fancy boxing that your customers get. So when I refer when I recommend Selkirk and I point them to the Selkirk site to use my advocate promo code, I don't get to see what they get. So I actually ordered this as a customer. So I get all the packaging. Now I actually got to see what it is my customers and my students see when I refer this to them. So this is just some promotional things here, some referrals, another level of performance is within your reach. Okay, so get some promotional things, I guess a little welcoming thing. So okay, so that's it, gang. I can't wait to go out and play this. It's raining now, so I'm gonna have to wait. But yeah, can't wait for this new toy. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.